Hello there and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of email marketing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or you're just starting out, knowing what mistakes to avoid can make all the difference in your email marketing campaign's success. In this video, we'll be highlighting the top 12 mistakes that you should steer clear of. So let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes that marketers make is sending generic, impersonal emails. Remember, personalization is key. Tailoring your message to each recipient's needs and interests shows that you value them as an individual. So, take some time to gather the data and use it to your advantage. Did you know that there are regulations in place to protect email recipients? Well, ignoring these regulations can lead to serious consequences, such as being labeled as spam. Make sure you familiarize yourself with email marketing laws and adhere to them to maintain a strong reputation. Your subject line is like a first impression. Misleading or clickbait subject lines can damage your credibility and result in low open rates. Be transparent, be concise, be honest in your subject lines, ensuring they accurately reflect the content of your email. Automation is a powerful tool, but it can become a double-edged sword if not used wisely. Bombarding your subscribers with automated emails can lead to fatigue and even unsubscribes. Strike a balance between automation and genuine human interaction to build meaningful relationships with your audience. Okay, so picture this. You've just spent hours crafting the perfect email, only to realize that a significant portion of your recipients' email addresses are outdated or incorrect. Hey, always verify your email list before hitting that send button to ensure that your messages reach the right people. Unsubscribe requests are not to be taken lightly. Ignoring them can harm your sender reputation and make it harder for your emails to reach the inbox. Make sure you have a clear and easy-to-use unsubscribe option in every email and promptly honor any requests to opt out. Email deliverability is crucial for the success of your campaign. Ignoring best practices like proper email formatting, avoiding spam trigger words, and testing your emails across various devices and email clients can result in poor deliverability rates. Stay up to date with the latest best practices to maximize your reach. Consistency is key in email marketing. Irregular or infrequent communication can make your subscribers lose interest or forget about your brand. Create a consistent email schedule to stay top of mind and engage your audience regularly. Your email content represents your brand, so it is important to make it compelling and engaging. Poorly written emails with grammar mistakes, excessive jargon, or lack of focus can turn off your recipients. Take the time to craft well-structured, concise, and valuable content that resonates with your audience. Following up is an essential part of email marketing. Don't let potential leads slip through the cracks by failing to follow up on previous interactions. A well-timed and personalized follow-up can significantly increase your chances of conversion. Blind carbon copying, or Bcc'ing, may seem like a convenient way to reach multiple recipients, but it's a major email marketing faux pas. Bcc'ing compromises trust and personalization, making it clear that the email is part of a mass campaign. Take the time to individually address each recipient for a more genuine approach. And last but not least, the length of your emails matter. Long, dense paragraphs can overwhelm your readers and lead them to losing interest. Keep your emails concise, focused, and easy to skim. Remember, less is more. Hey, and there you have it, the top 12 common mistakes to avoid in email marketing. By steering clear of these pitfalls, you're going to be well on your way to running a successful and engaging email campaign. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks so much for watching and happy emailing.